Hi everybody, welcome back. I just finished doing a project and I had some leftover resin. And so I thought I might make this new mold I had picked up. It's a Costa mold, but it has like crystals along the edge. So wanted to keep it fairly simple. So I'm adding this Starry Night gold colorant that I picked up. I believe I got these. It came in, I think, a set of 4 or 5 I got from Temu. So this one is like it's clear, but it has like a gold, I think it has like a gold coloring, like sparkle to it. But to zhuzh it up, I'm also going to add some of this glitter from, I got this from Michael's. It's Recollections. First time using it, and wow, is it ever cute, pretty in the resin. So I'm just going to mix these up. I'm hoping I have enough resin here to actually fill the mold, but if not, then, you know. And once again, I have my big fat hand right in the road. Apologize for that, guys. Look how that glitter is showing in this resin. It really picks up the light. How cute. Anyways, I didn't have quite enough to fill it, but it's full enough that I'm happy with it. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I'm going to be adding something else to this, so I will see you then. Okay, this one is dry, so let's go ahead and take it out, and then we can move on to step 2. Oh, what a pretty mold that is. I ended up with a little bubble down here. I do like this mold though. Love the edges. If you wanted to do something different, you could do like the edges like stones and rock, and so just pour the edges, let it dry, and then pour the middle like a water and use it in like a diorama. That would be really nice. This is a very pretty mold for something from Temu. A little disappointed I didn't catch that bubble right there. It would, I mean, normally it wouldn't matter that much, but because it's clear. But look at the sparkle on that too. I don't know if the light's catching that, but very nice. Okay, I mean, you could just leave it like this, but I thought I might put something in the middle here. I have these really pretty PET stickers that I got from Temu, of course, that I think I'll use these, or one of these. I think I was a choice between, this is kind of playing around with them, but I think it's a choice between either this really beautiful birdhouse or this one. I love, this is a beautiful sticker. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna put the sticker in, and then I'll just top coat it. So I'm just gonna have to peel this off, stick it in, make sure there's no bubbles. I'm not going to make you watch me. All right, we're going to carefully place this in. Like so. That's so pretty. And then I'm going to get my resin ready to do the top coat. All right, for the sake of time, I'd actually decided just to use my UV resin. So I've squirted some on there. I just want a really thin coat. So I'm just going to spread it around evenly, and then I will cure it up. Normally I wouldn't use a UV resin for a piece this size, but I'm leaving today for a work trip, so I would not have had time to do a second coat of resin and, you know, for it to dry before I could show you guys. So UV resin should work fine. And again, I just want the thinnest of coats. So I'm just going to get this moved around, use my lighter to make sure there's no bubbles. Definitely don't use a torch. You don't want to burn your resin. You don't want to burn your sticker. And make sure that the UV resin covers all of it, because sometimes when you're working with a thin coat like this, you'll notice it will pull away from one edge, and because this is clear, it's a clear piece, it's harder to see the resin on it, so you may not notice. So just be sure of that too before you cure it up, so you don't have any areas that the resin has pulled away from. All right, that looks good. I have full coverage of the thin layer. See, a little bit right here, it's not covering. So that's what I mean by just checking. Checking under your light, you can see the reflection of where it is. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I'm just gonna cure this, be right back. All right, I cured it for 3 minutes on the top. I flipped it over, did it for another 3 minutes on the bottom. And I think this is just a beautiful little piece. It could be a coaster, it could be just a decorative piece. But it does work fine as a coaster if you want it. I wouldn't use it for anything hot until it's cured for a few days. But look at that. Simple, easy, beautiful. All right, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, take the time to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.